Adventure on a budget. Exploring Europe for under $500. Hey fellow adventurers, ever dreamed of exploring Europe's enchanting cities, stunning landscapes, and rich history? Guess what? You can experience the magic without emptying your bank account. This video is your ultimate guide to backpacking through Europe for under $500. We're talking real adventures, incredible memories, and all on a shoestring budget. Whether you're a student, a budget traveler, or just someone who loves a good deal, this is for you. Get ready to unlock the secrets to affordable European travel. We're aiming for a quick 12-minute adventure together. So buckle up, because Europe on a budget is about to become your reality. And be sure to keep an eye out for our thumbnail, a backpacker ready to explore with a budget-friendly icon. It's your sign that adventure awaits. Let's dive into the heart of budget travel, choosing the right destinations. Some places in Europe offer incredible experiences at a fraction of the cost. Think beyond the usual tourist hotspots. We're talking about hidden gems where your money stretches further and the culture is even richer. Eastern Europe is calling. Poland, Czech Republic, and Hungary offer stunning architecture, vibrant cities, and delicious food, all at incredibly affordable prices. Portugal is another fantastic option. Picture yourself exploring its stunning coastline, indulging in fresh seafood, and soaking up the sun, all without breaking the bank. Don't forget the Balkans. This region boasts a rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and a unique cultural experience that's waiting to be discovered. The best part? These destinations often cost a fraction of what you'd spend in Western Europe. More adventure, less money. That's the name of the game. Now let's talk about where you'll be resting your head after a day of exploring. Forget expensive hotels. We've got smarter choices for the budget-conscious traveler. Hostels are your new best friend. They're social hubs where you can meet fellow travelers, swap stories, and find adventure buddies. Dorm beds in hostels typically range from $15 to $30 a night. That's a steal compared to traditional hotels, and you get a built-in community. Couchsurfing is another fantastic option. Imagine staying with locals, experiencing their culture firsthand, and getting free accommodation. Airbnb can also be surprisingly affordable, especially if you're traveling with a group. Split the cost of an apartment and enjoy the comforts of home. Remember, accommodation is a big part of your budget. Choosing wisely can free up more funds for experiences and adventures. Food is an essential part of any travel experience, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Let's explore some tips for affordable and delicious dining. Street food is your secret weapon. From savory pierogi in Poland to delicious gyros in Greece, you'll find incredible local cuisine at unbeatable prices. Local markets are a treasure trove of fresh produce. Stock up on fruits, vegetables, and local delicacies, and cook your own meals. Avoid tourist traps like the plague. Seek out authentic, budget-friendly restaurants where locals eat. You'll get a more genuine experience and save money. If you're staying in a hostel or Airbnb with kitchen facilities, take advantage of them. Cooking your own meals is a fantastic way to save money and control your diet. Eating like a local isn't just about saving money, it's about immersing yourself in the culture and discovering hidden culinary gems. Getting around Europe can be expensive, but it doesn't have to be. Let's explore some strategies for affordable transportation. Budget airlines are your ticket to hopping between countries without emptying your wallet. Ryanair and EasyJet are your go-to options. Book your flights well in advance to snag the best deals. Be flexible with your travel dates and airports to find even lower prices. Buses and trains are efficient and affordable options for intercity travel. They often offer scenic routes and a chance to see the countryside. Consider overnight travel to save on accommodation costs. Hop on an overnight bus or train and wake up in a new city, ready to explore. Walking and cycling are also fantastic ways to get around, especially in cities. You'll get some exercise, see the sights, and save money on transportation. Europe is packed with incredible experiences that don't cost a fortune. Let's explore some free and low-cost activities to maximize your adventure. Free walking tours are a fantastic way to explore cities and learn about their history. They're usually tip-based, so you can pay what you feel is appropriate. Many museums and parks offer free admission on certain days or at certain times. Take advantage of these opportunities to soak up some culture. Keep an eye out for free events and festivals. From street performances to cultural celebrations, there's always something happening in Europe. Embrace the local culture by people watching in a park, hiking in the mountains, or simply exploring a new neighborhood. These experiences are priceless. Remember, the best travel experiences aren't always the most expensive. Sometimes, the simplest moments are the most memorable. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to exploring Europe for under $500. We've covered affordable destinations, budget-friendly accommodation, and tips for eating and getting around on a shoestring. Remember, Eastern Europe, Portugal, and the Balkans offer incredible value for your money. Hostels, couch surfing, and Airbnb are your friends when it comes to accommodation. Embrace street food, local markets, and cooking your own meals to save on food costs. Budget airlines, buses, and trains are your keys to affordable transportation. And don't forget to take advantage of free walking tours, museums, parks, and local events. Europe is waiting to be explored, and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. Budget travel isn't just about saving money, it's about embracing a different way of seeing the world. It's about connecting with locals, discovering hidden gems, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. It's about adventure, cultural immersion, and a whole lot of fun. So go out there and explore.